Hi, my name is Jamie Pacho. I'm the creator of A Book a Day Cultural Studies, which seeks to bring to light aspects of a culture or a country through the study of picture books and using those picture books as a springboard to discover more through videos and activities. So if you're watching this, hopefully you are here on week 2, day 4. You've read a blurb about the reindeer, and you've read this book, The Reindeer People, and watched a video about the Sami reindeer herders. This is an amazing book by Ted Lewin. I hope you enjoyed it. And our activities are science notebooking page and nature-inspired reindeer. So I'm going to show you this little craft that I came up with to make a nature-inspired reindeer. And I have worn my fun reindeer ugly Christmas sweater for the occasion. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to make a nature-inspired reindeer. I have 2 6-inch twigs that branch off at the tips, and these are going to be the reindeer's antlers. I got these from my Japanese maple. I also have a more straight twig. I just broke off each end. This is about 4 inches long, and that's going to go across this way. And I'm going to let it stick out a little so it looks like ears. I've got 2 pom-poms for the noses. Something I learned is that reindeer have fuzzy noses, and they're the only member of the deer family to have fuzzy noses. So I just thought that was a super fun fact. Of course, you could do red if you're doing Rudolph. If not, brown, although pictures range from white to tan to dark brown. And then I've got googly eyes. Big ones would be really funny. Little ones are good too. So, and of course we need a glue gun. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I've kind of got it set up here. So you put these branches in kind of a V shape, and this one is the top of the triangle like that. So I'm gonna put a tiny bit of hot glue here. And then let's see. This one has a bit of a curve to it. Have it going this way. Down here. This direction. Well, I want it to be out here so that the end that sticks out isn't too long. Of course, I could break it if I needed it to be shorter, but here we go. All right. And now I'm gonna glue the nose, the point together. Whoops. All right, so that's what I have so far. Now I'm gonna do a brown nose. So you could use regular glue, it would just take a really long time to dry. And you'd have to hold it for a while or prop it up. So I chose to use my hot glue gun. And a dab right here. Okay. If you don't have googly eyes, you could use black buttons. There we go. Cute. All right. So I have a 12-inch piece of string, and I'm going to, because I want to hang this. If you don't want to hang it, then you are all finished. Tie one end here. Okay, so then if you kind of turn it so the knots are in the back, you can kind of hot glue the string that's in the back. Just apply a dab here, dab here. So it doesn't come untied. Just kind of smush it in there without burning yourself. And you can cut these little ends. Let's see. And there you have it.